In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily reply to a comment on TikTok with a picture. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off, we need to open up TikTok app. And then once we find a video, we need to tap right here at comments to head over to its comments. And then to reply to a particular comment with a picture, first off, we need to tap at that comment. That's where we can easily enter a reply for that comment. However, to reply with a picture, we need to tap right here at that button. After that, we'll be able to take a picture using our camera, or we can upload one from our camera roll by tapping at upload. After that, select a picture and then hit at next. Then to share your reply, just tap at post. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.